If you use a GoDaddy email address and want to manage it inside Gmail, this video will walk you through the setup step by step. By the end, you'll know how to log in and add your GoDaddy mailbox to Gmail so you can check all your messages in one place. This is a super useful setup if you want a cleaner workflow, less app switching, and easier email management every day. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, sign into your Gmail account in your browser. Once you're inside Gmail, look for the gear icon in the top right corner and click it. From the quick settings panel, choose See All Settings. This will open the full Gmail settings page. Now, across the top of the settings page, click the Accounts and Import tab. This is where Gmail lets you connect other email accounts and manage mail from outside providers. Under the section called Check Mail from Other Accounts, click Add a Mail Account. A new window will appear asking for the email address you want to add. Type in your full GoDaddy email address, then click Next. Gmail will ask how you want to link the account. To receive your GoDaddy emails directly in Gmail, choose Import Emails from My Other Account, which uses POP3. This is the option that pulls incoming mail from your GoDaddy inbox into Gmail. Next, you'll need to enter the login details for your GoDaddy email. For the username, type your full GoDaddy email address again. For the password, enter your email password. Then, in the POP server field, type pop.secureserver.net. Make sure the port is set to 995 because that is the secure POP3 port used for GoDaddy email connections. After that, turn on the option for Always Use SSL. This is important because it helps keep your email connection secure while Gmail checks your GoDaddy mailbox. Once everything looks correct, click Add Account. Gmail will now try to connect to your GoDaddy email account. If your details are correct, the account will be added successfully and Gmail will begin checking for new messages from that inbox. Depending on your settings, you may also be asked whether you want to leave a copy of messages on the server, label incoming mail, or archive messages automatically. You can choose the options that best fit your workflow. If Gmail asks whether you also want to send mail as your GoDaddy address, you can set that up too, but that part is optional and separate from receiving mail. For now, the main goal is complete. Your GoDaddy email is connected inside Gmail and you can manage it from one place. If something doesn't work right away, double check that you entered the full email address, the correct password, and the POP settings exactly as shown. Also make sure POP access is allowed on your GoDaddy account if needed. Small typing mistakes are the most common reason the connection fails, and that's it. You've now learned how to log into your GoDaddy email in Gmail and set it up for easy access. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.